Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a bug on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings here in this first page of settings. You will go down until you find apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this sign you will search about Gemini app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget